All right, this is number 9 from your quiz 5.1 to 5.2. The directions for number 9 say to tell whether the information in the diagram allows you to conclude that P is on the angle bisector, okay? And an angle bisector is a line or a ray that divides an angle into two equal parts. Now that angle bisector is not drawn in, but we have to determine whether or not P would lie on that angle bisector if it were drawn in, okay? There is a theorem that will help us to determine that, and that is theorem 5.3. It says, if a point is on the bisector of an angle, then it is equidistant from the two sides of the angle. So the important part to remember is that we measure equidistance from a point to the side of an angle where it meets at a right angle, all right? So let's look carefully. We know that from P to the side here is 4, and from P to the side here is 4 as well. So those are the same distance. However, it does not meet the side at a right angle. So we can't use that as being equidistant because this line, the distance from here to here, does not meet the side of the angle at a right angle. It should be like this, and that's how we would measure equidistance, from that point to where it meets the side of the angle at a right angle. So because of that, this is no, okay? We don't know the distance from P to the sides at a right angle. All right, so we must measure equidistance from that point to the side where that meets at a right angle. If it's not meeting at a right angle, then we can't use it. All right, so that one, the answer to number 9 is no. It is not perpendicular. So this line right here is not perpendicular to the sides. It doesn't meet at a right angle, so we can't use these distances to say it's equidistant. All right, so that one's no.